Hello, we are coming on our next video. Today we are showing you how to
how to do it.
Our head.
Yay! Say how to do turban style.
How to do urban styles.
Turban.
Urban.
Turban.
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 No, I'm really just
Hold up. Before we continue, I posted a video on these looks, and if you haven't already watched it, I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below. Go watch it before you continue this video, before you watch this video. Okay, so now we can dive into this new video.
I'm just going to be using this veil to do two different styles. So I'm going to go on with the first style. These wrinkled veils are really huge, so you want to fold the veil into two, with something like this. Then you're just going to put this over your forehead, just like we did for the first one. You do a knot, and you're just going to take this long part. Not it, just like this, and then just going to put it round, and you just tie the side. Yes, baby. And you're good to go. That's just it. That's it. Simple, easy.
So this next style is a bit tricky.
You just fold this in half or more than half of the veil like this.
If you know me, you know this is like one of my favorite veils. I wear this veil like every single day because it goes with every color. And you know, you can just wrap it around your head and it just stays there. So I'm just going to take this over my head. But this time, as you can see, the volume is at the back of my head. The volume is right here. So with this, you just want to knot the top of the head. You want to knot from the top of the head like so. And then you have this little thing here that you can just put at the back like so this is the trick. Take the right side of the veil, or the remaining veil, and take it to the left side of my head, or of the knot, and I do the same thing for here. Because the veil is very long and I want it to be short, so I just play with it around. So I take the remaining halves, I just take it around my head. And then that's just it for this style. So as you can see, it's a bit tricky, you know, doing the crisscross and then the knot. Like always, you compare this with some and yeah, off you go to wherever you can pair with some nice earrings. Next, okay, for this last style, because I want my volume to be like very intact, I like to put the crunchy. I like to hold my hair first with the crunchy and then put the undercap on top of the crunchy. So I'm just going to do that and show you how it looks. And that's how I like holding my volume intact for this particular style I'm about to do. And sometimes I actually do it for all the other styles as well, but for this style in particular I like to go that way because it's going to look so much more better when I do it that way. So for this style is probably one of the most requested turban styles, and it's funny because it's one of the easiest. So you fold the veil in half, or you fold the tip of the veil like so again, and you put it over your head like so. If you are not somebody who shows your baby hair, you want to kind of like pull the hijab to your forehead a bit. Pull it to your forehead like I'm doing, like so. Yeah, because at the end of the day it's going to pull back, and so your baby hair wouldn't show. So yeah, we want to do a knot. So back to business. What you want to do, I have one long remaining veil and one short remaining veil, as you can see. So you want to take the longer part of the remaining veil, just try and fold it a bit to be neat. Also for this type of turban style, you want to use a veil that creates folds. You know there are veils that automatically create folds. You want to look for those type of veils for this type so that you can, so that it looks I don't know how to call it, but when I do it, you see what I mean. You see how it just automatically creates folds. I've not done anything, I just kind of like folded it. So this veil, I've had this veil forever, so I can't tell you where I got it from. I don't even remember. But it's kind of like satin. Good. It's a type of satin, I think. Let me try and show it to you how it looks. It's a type of satin. So yeah, so it creates folds, as you can see. I'm just going to put this in front of my forehead, or in front of what I just did. Like so. So I'm just going to take this part, the remaining of it, I'm going to put it under this one. So as you can see. And then I'm going to take the remaining and just wrap it around the volume. So I'm just going to take this part of the veil and wrap it around this volume. And then we have something like this, but then we still have the remaining veil here. So what you want to do is you want to tuck this in to where your undercap is. I told you when I'm done wrapping it around, it tends to push back, so you can see it was almost where my eyebrows were, but now it's a bit back. So that's how this style goes. Let me just show you the back. But wait, this look will not be complete without my there we go. I love this style. This is one of my favorite turban styles because it's just so easy, it is elegant, you know. And I think Samira Baumia tends to do a lot of this turban because it's just so elegante. Is that a correct French word? I don't know, but I know I look elegant in this turban style. So that's it for all my turban styles. I mean, I'm going to give you a bonus turban style with my niece. So yeah. Okay, we're going to do for Mariama. make the turban.
Okay, so we are just going to put the veil over her head like so and do a knot like we did for the previous turban styles. So we are doing the knot at the back. Yeah, so we are done with the knot. She has a very slippery hair, so I have to pull the veil to her forehead a bit. Okay, so now I'm just going to make a twist for one of the veils or the remaining veils, I don't know. Wrap it around her head like I'm doing as she tries to put on one of my rings. So I'm just going to wrap all of the remaining veil over her head, the twisted one, and I'm going to do the same for the other veil, for the other remaining strand of veil. She still tries to wear all my rings. Okay, so I'm wrapping that over her head as well, and I'm just tucking the remaining. Tuck it, okay, and oh, we are good to go. I'm done. So her hair is slippery like I said, so I'm just trying to make it look nice, make it look like some baby hair. There we go.
Okay, bye-bye. Let's say bye-bye. Kiss. That's it for today's video. I've done about 5 styles. And yeah, let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know if you would like to see a video on how to create volumes, or different ways you can create volume. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to your friends, to your families, to your sisters, your brothers, so they share it to their wives, I guess. Okay, tell them to subscribe. Yeah. Tell them subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Auntie's channel. Say Abba.
Abba.
Subscribe to Abba's channel.
Subscribe to Anna's channel.
Please, please, please. Please subscribe. Tell them.
Please, please, please subscribe.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.